Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by creating a firewall rule that blocks Photoshop outbound connections. First, make sure you have an administrator account and the exact Photoshop executable path. Once Photoshop is closed and Cloud Sync paused, open your system firewall utility. On Windows, use Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. On Mac OS, use the Firewall or PF for advanced rules. Begin creating a new outbound rule. Choose Program Rule and point it to the Photoshop exe or app bundle so the rule targets the correct binary. Now configure the rule specifics so traffic is reliably stopped. Select the program path, then choose Block the connection for outbound traffic. Include both TCP and UDP where applicable to catch all protocols. Apply the rule to domain, private, and public profiles to prevent bypass on any network. If you need stricter control, add rules blocking Adobe Creative Cloud hostnames and ports 443 and 80. But be cautious, that can affect updates and licensing. Name the rule clearly so you can find it later. Finish by testing and tightening the setup. Restart the app and monitor network activity with Resource Monitor on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac OS to confirm connections are blocked. If Photoshop still reaches the internet, make sure you block the real executable. Some launches spawn helper processes, and check for other software like proxies, VPN, or Creative Cloud services that re-enable access. To recover, temporarily disable the rule for updates or licensing checks. One troubleshooting tip: if the app auto-updates despite a block, examine and block helper/installer binaries as well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.